Morning everyone. I got to put a dump tarp kit on this dump truck. I don't have all the parts for it today, but I need to get it temporary fixed because it's leaf season and they got leaves galore. So I'm gonna get the roll tarp kit on so at least he can cover his load while he's going down the road, and then I have more parts coming in and I'll finish it up later. I came out initially to do measuring on it and I chose a 7.5 foot tarp. Trailer's 8 feet wide and you can usually stretch these tarps past 7.5 feet. My plan is to temp install this with some self-tappers, and then I'll come back through. I have to weld brackets on there and then bolt everything on. For right now, it's getting self-tappers. This mounting surface is not flat. It's got a weld on it, so I'm gonna sand it down, paint it. A little flatter. Need this to see it flush. Yeah, good enough today. Make that flush. Let's self-tap this on. Two in. Okay, let's do the other side. Same thing on this side, sand it down. And measure it, see if we're about even. 6 inches on the dot, 6 inches on the dot, sweet. Let's see if it'll self-tap into 2 pieces a 1/4 inch. Mounting brackets are the same. Again, this is a temporary. I'm just getting it on so they don't blow leaves all over the road. And I got more stuff coming in. And then I have extruded aluminum arms that I throw in. Should mark center on this first. 36 inches, 1.5 feet. I'm gonna loosen these set screws. I brought both sets of Allen wrenches because no matter what you bring, it's always the opposite. Got it. Open up the set screws. Lo and behold, it was the first one that I grabbed. Remove this temporarily. Good, bar's on. Stretch these out here. This is always a little easier when it's empty. Is truck open? Nope, locked. I got set screws tight. Now I need to center that middle post. I don't know how I'm gonna get in there. Oh, easy. I got my middle post is centered up. Now I'm gonna drill the set screws for this piece, for the aluminum, so this doesn't slide. Good, it's set. Got it roughly in the middle. Set screws are in. And disassembling everything again. All right, let's set everything up. This is gonna be a little bit of a chore with one person. Paint's dry, reassemble. Passenger side's on. Let's see if I can get this to work. Just have to get it into the other side. Perfect. Just gotta get one of these set screws in. Good. Sweet. We'll go right here and then we'll stretch this tarp. Good, stretch the tarp, put new set screw over there. I need to loosen up that other side just a little bit more. And then we can line it up with the rail, I think is what we need to do. Pull tight. Hammer home. Find a rough center here. And tighten set screws. I don't know what this thing's called. Gear retainer maybe? But it's going on. And the handle's going on. Alright, assembly is all on there. I need to attach the ropes, I need to attach the rope retainers, and then roll everything, make sure it's tight and clean. I want the tarp to roll over the top. So we go this way. And go the other side, pull it. Do my best to roll it, then pull it tight for the other side, and then roll it, pull it tight for the other side. Put bungees on, and then tighten it. Bungees are on, everything's tight. One rope tie is on. Rope is on. Let's get the rear ones on. Rear rope hooks are on. This job's done. I have some parts coming in, but temporarily they're good. Leaves won't fly out the back on them. I got a Buyer's DTR 7515 kit on there. Coming in is new weld-on brackets that I had fabbed up, and I have the bar that goes in the back of the tarp and the retainer for the bar. So they can just keep the bar on the top, pull everything tight, and then it'll hook into the rear. This job's done. I'm on to the next.